What's your video for today?
Mukbang.
We're gonna do a
Mukbang.
mukbang of fruits.
Fruit.
You have
Apple.
apple,
Mango.
mango, pear,
Orange.
orange. So which one is your favorite, do you think? Did you finish it? So you start now.
Orange.
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 She had her breakfast early, like an hour ago, so she will have fruits for her lunch and having another food when she comes home from school.
Mango.
Mango. Nice? Yummy?
Yeah.
Is it sweet?
Apple.
Is it apple? Nice?
Yeah. Papaya. Pa.
Yummy? What is the taste of pear?
Apple.
The taste of pear is apple. What is the taste of pear? Is it sweet?
Yeah, I like mango.
You like mango? You want one and some? Seems you want to join?
I can try. I'll cover his eyes.
Okay. Hello.
Na.
We're gonna do a mukbang too. Enjoy. He wants orange as well. He loves orange. Which one is you most like? On your fruits, you most like is apple, mango. She more like the mango. And he likes an orange. Is that your lunch? She like fruits. So every day she is asking for fruits, or she's having fruits before she go to school. Or in the school they have snack. Most of the time she's having a fruit snack.
Most of the time they put out cold peas that they don't care.
Yummy? Is it yummy? Yummy inside? Oh. Oh, you nearly finished. You nearly finished the pear. In the corner? You can have your mango? I think if she can finish it, I'll put it in the box and she's having it after school. Then baby seeds. The
It's from
pips. Yummy inside? Yummy?
Orange mouth. I like all kinds of fruit,
All kinds of fruits,
But-
yeah. Like
but-
what?
but not peach because it's
Like peach. You don't like the peach because you try the peach is a bit sour because It's not really ripe.
Yeah.
What fruits do you like? Strawberry,
Orange, mango, apple, pie.
what else? Raspberry,
Yeah. Blueberry.
blueberry, what else? Kiwi,
Not really.
not really on kiwi. Why?
Because it tastes little salmon, little sweet together.
Oh yeah. Do you like lemon? Really?
It's my favourite one of mangoes. They're the same kind of
Mango and lemon.
I drink juice.
Want to drink juice? You can make juice in it with orange.
Seen me when I first been.
Yeah. Since then, Genevieve loved fruits since she was a baby. So until now, she still loves fruits. What you doing, Enzo? Enzo, finishes. Do you want more? You help Ate? Just finish? Finish? And that one?
I like orange.
No? Do you want mango?
The ones who never try mango.
You love fruits too. You like it?
Orange cake.
Yummy. Apple.
Black line.
So we're going to help Ate to eat her fruits.
Mango.
Philippine mango is still the best.
We're still Filipino.
Did you ever try the English, the Filipino mango? You had it before when we went back to Philippines. So when you bought like a mango from Philippines, it's quite expensive. So I think this mango is been from, I think it's from Peru or some part of Europe.
Europe? What's Europe? It's like castle.
Can I have some pear?
Yeah. Apple.
Apple. I can have apple.
It's yummy. I
Crunchy.
remember when Gabby and Alexia did Mukbang. I was only Gabby. There was a toddler that time. It's okay if I'm late. We can go to the office now.
No, we're not gonna be late. We will leave here at 12:05.
What's 12? Oh,
She's going to school after this.
I'm like, what's this? Right?
Orange.
The right.
This like little skin.
It's
Easy guy. Easy. Try the apple.
I'm getting it. Boom. 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 Boom.
It's a bit stringy. But I like this mango when it's crunchy. And there is alamang. It's a prawns, shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste?
Yeah.
What's that?
prawns. Small one.
You mean the small?
I'll show you later.
Are you pound?
You don't like it.
I don't really want prawns because I'm too small for it.
Is it?
Yeah. And the ones out. You want to try?
He's eating. He also loves fruits.
I'll put this here for the ones out.
Okay. There's more there, darling.
Can't see.
There's two more. Look.
Oh.
And there is one pear.
It's gonna taste that.
He likes pear.
He's a big boy now.
He likes pear and he likes
Mango.
mango. You put it in the table and the plate. In the plate. Okay. Okay. Next. You can have it tomorrow.
Where does the mango come from?
I think this mango is from Peru, I think.
Window loves the mango and pie and all kinds of fruit like me. I'm not really sad because I never had limes.
Okay, okay. Lime is
Yeah.
like a
A green lemon.
Yeah. It's
Lem-
like a lemon.
lemon's not-
Sour as well.
Like plums.
Like plum.
A peach.
Do you like cherry?
I never had curry anyway.
You had. But I need to look. Do you like grapes?
Yeah.
Which one, green or red?
Both.
Both.
They're my favorite flavors. The green one tastes like a mango, and the purple one tastes like an orange.
Okay. Nearly finished with the help of Enzo and Mama. Nearly finished your food, your mukbang.
Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed to any channel yet, please do subscribe. Bye. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.